You suffered a significant injury when you went into the hospital for a procedure, and you know it was all because of one doctor who didn't do what he was supposed to do. And now you want to know, why do we have to sue the hospital? Isn't it just the doctor who screwed up? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now you go in for a surgical procedure, something bad happens, you wind up with significant harm, significant injury, and you know who caused your problem. It was the surgeon who you believe violated the basic standards of medical care, causing you all these harms and injuries. And now you have no doubt that you want to sue the surgeon. But now it comes time to go ahead and start the actual lawsuit. And I tell you, listen, not only do we have to sue the surgeon who caused your injury, but we also have to sue the hospital as well. And you turn around and say, wait a second, the hospital did nothing wrong to me. I don't want to sue the hospital. They're my local hospital. I go there when I need to. I don't want to sue the hospital. Why are we suing the hospital? In most instances, we're going to have to sue the hospital. You want to know why? It's because at the very beginning of the case, we don't know whether the surgeon who caused you harm was employed by the hospital. And you might be thinking, so what? So what if he's employed? Well, this is really important. Did you know that an employer is legally responsible for the acts of their employees? There's a legal term to describe that situation that's known as respondeat superior, meaning that your employer is responsible for the actions of their employees. And there's also something known as vicarious liability, that the hospital is responsible for what their employees, the people who work there, do on an everyday basis. So even though you like the hospital, even though you like the nursing staff, even though you like the environment, and you've never had a problem before, the only way to properly compensate you, assuming the doctor did something wrong, is not only to name the doctor individually, personally, but also to name the hospital as well. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a medical malpractice case here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own medical problem. Well, if you believe that a doctor caused you harm as a result of improper medical care, and it happened in New York and you're contemplating, you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit here in New York, and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, I do this every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.